Thank you for visiting the Combs Waterkotte website and our Credit Card Fraud Defense Lawyer in Missouri website page. Regardless of the crime, we believe everyone is entitled to the best possible legal defense in the state of Missouri. We have created this audio version of our website page to help you better understand our services and protect your future, freedom, and reputation. If you have been charged with the credit card fraud in the state of Missouri, we can help. Don't face the state and court system alone during your credit card fraud charge. Contact one of our Missouri credit card fraud defense lawyers today at 314-900. Help to protect your rights and future. Combs Waterkotte is committed to handling all credit card fraud defense cases with confidential care and understanding. We are not here to judge you. We believe that everyone in Missouri, regardless of the crime they have been charged with, deserves an aggressive legal defense and to have their legal rights protected. With that being said, let's discuss hiring our credit card fraud defense lawyers in Missouri and setting up a free consultation with our attorneys. Credit card fraud lawyers in Missouri. Credit card fraud can be as accidental as it can be complex. Usually, credit card fraud relates to the unauthorized use of another person's card that makes purchases or withdrawals without permission. If you have been convicted or charged with credit card fraud in St. Louis, Missouri, contact our criminal defense team today. Credit card fraud lawyers in St. Louis, Missouri. Embezzlement, identity theft, credit card fraud, and larceny are all examples of theft charges. Theft-related charges can result in fines as well as probation, jail time, or imprisonment. But in addition to the court sentence, you will be left with a criminal record that will impact your personal and professional life. It becomes incredibly difficult to get a job, receive aid, or qualify for the opportunities you want to pursue. At Combs Waterkotte, we help Missouri clients with any allegations, convictions, and other legal services. Protect your future and freedom with Combs Waterkotte. Contact one of our criminal defense lawyers today at 314-900-HELP. If you are facing criminal charges of any kind, it is important to hire a St. Louis credit card fraud defense attorney who has experience in handling your specific type of case. Call us now at 314-900-HELP. Charges come with a unique set of legal issues and challenges, and a skilled attorney can help you navigate the complex criminal justice system and work to achieve the best possible outcome for your case. As a criminal defense law firm based in St. Louis, we are dedicated to protecting our clients' legal rights and providing compassionate and effective representation if they've been accused or convicted. Contact us today to schedule a consultation and learn more about how we can help you with your Missouri credit card case. What are access devices? Federal credit card fraud is often referred to as access device fraud. Federal law makes it a crime to knowingly, with an intent to defraud, any of the following acts: use or traffic in any counterfeit access devices, possess 15 or more counterfeit devices, use, traffic, or possess a scanning receiver, possess or traffic in any device-making equipment, use, traffic, or possess modified instruments to obtain use of telecommunication services, use, produce, traffic, or possess hardware or software to modify an instrument to obtain telecommunications service, obtain anything of value $1,000 or more within a year with a counterfeit access device, solicit someone for offering or selling a fraudulent access device. If you've been accused or convicted of any of these crimes, don't hesitate to reach out to credit card fraud lawyers in St. Louis, Missouri. Now. Why choose Combs Waterkotte to defend you against credit card fraud charges in St. Louis, Missouri? Credit card fraud charges require a skilled defense team. Combs Waterkotte has the experience, courtroom strength, and negotiation skills to protect you at both the state and federal level. Choose us because extensive credit card fraud defense experience. We build strong, personalized defense strategies. Proven record of successful outcomes. We tailor strategies to fit your specific case. State and federal defense expertise. Skilled negotiators aiming for reductions or dismissals. Aggressive courtroom advocates. We prioritize your needs every step of the way. Types of credit card fraud. There are a number of different types of credit fraud cases we can help with. Below are a few of the most common types of credit card fraud. Skimming is when someone steals or captures credit card information from a magnetic strip during a sale. Phishing involves deceptive emails, texts, phone calls, and other methods used to collect personal information. Card theft is the actual act of stealing a credit card. Carding is another way criminals can use stolen credit card information to make purchases online or counterfeit cards. Account takeover is when someone acquires login credentials and combines multiple methods to use a card. Credit card fraud statutes in Missouri. Missouri's laws regarding fraudulent use of a credit or debit card can be found in Missouri Revised Statutes, Section 570.130. If the total value of the goods and services bought is less than $750, it is a Class A misdemeanor. Otherwise, it is a Class E felony. Penalties for a Class A misdemeanor can be as much as 1 year in jail and $1,000 in fines. If your case is a Class E felony, you could be looking at anywhere from a year in county jail to 4 years in prison. In addition, if you are convicted of a felony, you will lose the right to own a firearm, vote, or hold certain jobs. Credit card fraud is also a federal crime, and it is not uncommon for prosecutors to seek these charges alongside Missouri state charges. The law governing credit card fraud is 18 United States Code, Section 1029, and it is both very broad and very strict. For a charge to be a Title 18 offense, it must be proven that the accused was knowingly trying to defraud another person, the value of the assets they obtained via fraud is more than $1,000, have included an interstate transaction. Hiring a credit card fraud defense attorney in St. Louis, Missouri. If you've been involved in credit card theft, you may want to consider calling our office at 314-900-HELP or reaching to Combs Waterkotte on our website.